Yes, good day everyone. Welcome to Global Gift TV. So this video I'll be showing you how to make money reading emails every day. By reading emails every day without doing anything. Let's get started. Wondering that how can I be reading emails and be making money? It's very easy. The comfort of your zone from your house can read news every day without doing anything. You have no excuse not to be making money every day because it is very easy. No need of any payment there. Just on your data and start doing it. It's very easy, and this you can do it all over the world. It is not restricted maybe only Nigeria. No, if you are from India, Japan, all over the country, the whole world, you can do this. It's very simple. Yes, if you are new to this channel, can you subscribe to this channel, like and comment what you say about this video. The first thing you are going to do is I will search for Volutic. Search for volutic.com. So register your account. Click on registration, register your account. After register your account, you put your email, your username, email, password, confirm password, and your referral. You leave the referral if you don't have any referral there, and you make sure you click on this successfully. Yes, I already made okay, and you click on register button. After done with that, you see an page like this. After you're done with registration, they will giving you an account. They will giving you an email you're going to save in your contact list. What I'm going to do is I will copy the email given to you. You click on copy. I see what I just did now. Yes, the mail is that is the mail. You copy it. You go to your Google Play Store. This is very simple. It's not hard that if you are even old or you are small, you can still do it. If you are a student, you can use this one to be making passive income for yourself. It's very easy. It is not difficult. Just stay through and watch this video to the end. The next thing you're going to do is that you go to your Google Play Store, your Apple Play Store. We download the app called Google Contacts. Yeah, this is the contact here, Google Contacts. Yes, you can update it. Make sure you install it. After installing it, this is the one you are going to use at the end of this video. Just stay through. You have copied the email given to us. That is the mail you are going to be receiving every mail by Volutic. Yes. Next thing you're going to do, go to your Gmail account. You search for this, the third buyer. You click there. You scroll down. You'll be seeing Google Apps, calendar. Leave that one. You go for contact. You click on the contact there. Remember you copied an email from the Volutic site. That is the email you are going to be receiving mails every day. Yes, this is one of my contacts I saved with Volutic, but I am confused on how to save it. You click on this plus sign here. Click on it. You just put the name as Volutic. You leave everything there. Just come to this email. You put the mail you copied from the Volutic site. Remember the one you copied from the Volutic site. This is it here. Yes, you put it there. Let me go back to the site so that you can see what I copied before. This is what I copied before, so you guys can see. Let me go back to the site back so you guys can see, so you can understand how it fully works. I don't want anyone to be confused about this. Yeah, this is the site. See you. To make sure you receive all our mails and don't miss paid emails, add this mail to your contact list. But if you don't understand what I did, you can also check some videos here. But if you are using, you know how to save your contact. It's very easy there. Just copy this contact you are seeing here. Support this. Are you seeing here? how to contact, but we're not doing that, just to make everything easy for every one of us. If you enjoyed this video, you can like this video and comment below what you say about this video. Copy it. I've copied it now. I go back to my Gmail. Let's go back there. Yes, you go to contact. Yeah, this is still there. You put the contact here. Okay. Yes, put the contact you copied from the site. Put it there. Yes, you save it with Volutic. Yeah, it has been saved. Just the mail. No need of putting any number. Yeah, the next thing you're going to do is that before 24 hours you sign up, you'll be receiving mails every day. Make sure you are reading the mail so that you can get paid. Yeah, they'll be sending you an mails like this. Like one of them is this Volutic. And any of the emails they are sending you, at the end of the mails you see something like this. I thought at the end of it, link. You just click on the link there. It will link you to your browser. Yes, you are going to wait for the advertisement to pop up for 100. I mean, it doesn't even take 5 minutes at all. At least it take 1 minute. Just this to load. It's very simple. Don't click on anything. Just be watching this. Yeah, are you seeing it here? Are you seeing it's growing? 57 is growing. Yes. Make sure it is 100 and leave it and just go back to your browser. It added to your account automatically after it has load finished. But this advert, I've done it before, so you know add anything. Obviously you have already watched this ad. You cannot add anything to me. Don't need to click on any site, you can leave it. But if you're interested in it, you can check the site there. But don't need of doing that, so you don't waste your time. Yes, that is how to do the tag there. They'll be sending you mails every day. But if you don't do their mails, they will stop giving you mails because it's a complaint that pays people. Let's go back to the site Volutic. Okay. Yes, in this account here, let's read about the complaint, the home of the. Let's read about them. They have over 500 members online. They are online right now, but total members they have 11,000 members, and they have paid over 50. They have paid 45. They have paid over $4,000 to all the members. It's very easy just to do it. It's very easy. But if you are good in referral, you can also make money from it. And the minimum payout is 0.2 USDT dollar. It's $0.2. That is the minimum withdrawal there. It's very easy. Minimum payout is 0. Is it here? It's not even up to $1. It's not even up to half a dollar. That is the minimum you can withdraw. Then let's go to our own account here. Okay, let's sign into our account. Put your mail. Okay, log into our account. Anytime you want to log into your account, they will send you a verification code so that they will know that you enter your account. Go back. Let's go back to our Gmail there. Okay, that is okay. Yeah, at the end of this, the code sent to us. You copy the code, go back to the site, put the code there. Yes, put the code there and you confirm. Yes, and how to withdraw. You don't need anything to deposit there. It's very simple. Okay. Yes, to withdraw you need a Payoneer account. But if you don't know how to create a Payoneer account, you can leave it, because I've already done a video on how to open an offset account. I dropped this video some days back on how to create posted account. You can check some of my videos. You can see how to create posted account where you can be withdrawing it through your BTC. And in this, but then how to want to use Payoneer, you want to use a Payoneer account, you can search on YouTube to see how you can create Payoneer accounts. Okay, yeah, that's how it works there. You can be making money every day. It pays you direct to your BTC account that you link to your Faucet Pay account. And if you learn something new in this video, can you like this video, comment what you say about this video. But already making money from this video, from releasing before, can also drop your review so that people can see it. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.